So just taking a quick look at XRP then in this local area. I wanted to do a video on XRP because I haven't done one in quite a while, and it does seem as though XRP is gearing up for some kind of fantastic move to the upside. Obviously we all know about how big this huge multi-cycle coiling formation for XRP is looking. Very juicy indeed. Obviously we've got the huge catalyst of the SEC lawsuit being finalized and probably settled as well, which is going to be a massive catalyst for XRP to move to the upside as well. By the way, please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And you can see obviously on my chart I've got these things marked in as well. You've got your all-time high of the 2018 cycle. We've got the 2021 cycle high here of around $2. And now we're really looking for a break of that multi 5-6 year long bear market resistance, which is only sitting at around what we're looking at 110, 120 here for XRP. I mean, if we start getting above this and back testing, it's going to be absolute fireworks for XRP, isn't it? After such a long time under this massive price suppression. Obviously last cycle with the lawsuit, with a very significant amount of price suppression, I do believe. But you can see we've been holding this very nice uptrend like a boss ever since we came down to that swing low of the COVID crash at around 13 cents. We've obviously been having some very reasonably good price action here. You would say obviously that's a nice move from the low to the high there still. But overall you can see in this recent bear market we've seen XRP chopping around quite a lot in this area here. Really a very significant amount of chop actually. Interesting price action. We finally got that potential SEC case being, you know, Ripple potentially winning the case, or at least having a very favourable result. Massive pump and dump in the market, will run all the way up to the 618 Fibonacci at 92 cents, and then a massive rejection all the way back down to sweep the liquidity. Bit more consolidation, and then finally getting a true run to the upside. Recently with Bitcoin having a bit of a fall, in January we've seen XRP retracing, but now back up again. And really there's been a lot of chop in this local area, sitting currently at around 63, 64 cents. But you can see from the previous local but bear market resistance that we're right at this resistance again, which is going to lead me to suspect that we'll be breaking out and heading above this pretty soon once XRP finally takes that leap and continues upwards. As I said, that catalyst of the lawsuit going to be absolutely massive as well. Expect some extreme volatility for XRP overall, I would say. But right now things looking completely fine. Really is coiling up like an absolute beast, isn't it? And I mean, if you want to believe in some of the extensions that people are talking about, let me put this on the weekly because I can't even get this price chart action onto the screen because it's so long now. You can obviously see this big coiling pattern that's playing out here. Obviously in this local resistance, if we break this, we'll be heading up to that resistance, I believe, anywhere from around 90 cents at the 618 to around that 110 resistance of that massive bear market resistance here. Obviously if we start breaking out of this big coiling motion, we could easily see ourselves heading up to some nice big round numbers. I think $10 per XRP this year is very possible, and to be honest, I don't want to say likely, but it seems very likely considering everything is going to come to a head this year along with the bull market. And you know how much XRP likes to absolutely move when it really wants to. Anyone back in this bull market here will know that for a fact. This huge parabolic moves, these are just weekly candles that are absolutely ridiculous. This big coil and then the final push there for XRP. But you can see overall here, we're really looking like we're coiling into something massive. And I do think, you know, anywhere from 10 to that $27 Fibonacci level like that. Was that 161 there? I think that's very possible and achievable. This would be excellent price action for XRP, and definitely something that I could see happening over the next few years with all the nice catalysts we've got coming as well. So overall the technicals looking really good, and to be honest the fundamentals looking hella bullish as well. Just a little look at the hourly time frame in the local area. You can see we actually started to make a little move for XRP, but got stuck under resistance because of Bitcoin retracing. But we've got a nice breakout back test, and now chopping, waiting for that move to the upside to come to fruition basically. So a break of this local bear market resistance area is going to be the first port of call for me, and then heading up towards $1 and that 618 area here, and then beyond that obviously we're looking for absolute fireworks. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.